Y'all, so today I'm back with another video, and I decided to come outside again today, and it's surprisingly not as cold as it was in my last video. The last video I filmed out here was my Sephora haul, which matters in today's video because y'all, wait a minute, I'm thinking about the wrong Sephora haul. Not the last Sephora haul, but the previous Sephora haul from that time. I was talking about wanting a fragrance, and it was the Joe Malone fragrance that was like the holiday gingerbread or ginger biscuit scent. Well, guess what? Your girl did not get it. So I was really upset and down about that. And so just a quick backstory about that. I always have my Sephora cart ready to go whenever there's a Sephora sale, right? This time I did not. I was just like, I guess in mom mode, and I had went to sleep, and yeah, I did not set an alarm to purchase everything in my cart because I was like, oh well, it's a fragrance, like I didn't really think it was that big of a deal. It was a big deal. Apparently, like literally a couple hours into the sale, this fragrance went out of stock, and I was like, all right, so I missed out on that. However, I ended up putting on like the email notifications, so I'm like, okay, when it comes back in stock, I'll just purchase it and use my discount. Tell me why I did not get an email that this fragrance was back in stock until after this, literally the day after the sale. It just so happens to go back in stock. If y'all didn't want us to use the coupon, then why didn't you just say that? But yeah, so anyways, I say all that to say I did end up buying the Joe Malone London Ginger Biscuit Cologne, and I purchased it for full price because I really did want the cologne. Like I wanted it. I love like those warm scents, and I was wondering if I could use it with one of the Fenty Beauty is it Fenty Beauty or Fenty Skin? It's that cinnamon moisturizer that I freaking love. I don't know, but I'm gonna smell everything today, so this is gonna be a very quick video. I'm really just trying to smell it because this was a blind purchase, y'all. I don't even know what it smells like, but I have an idea. So before I even get into it, y'all know I want to go on Sephora and just read about this specific fragrance, which is just so happens to be out of stock again. So y'all was not playing with this one, so I hope that means that it smells good. I know it is, I don't want to call it a limited edition, but like it's like it just comes in stock during the holidays or something like that. So anyways, let's get serious for a minute. So this is the Joe Malone London Ginger Biscuit Cologne, and it retails for $165. Y'all, I do not normally spend that much money on a fragrance because usually I'll get like the middle size or the mini. They did not have a mini. Like they knew exactly what they were doing. They did not have a mini. I had no choice but to buy this big old bottle, so I hope I don't have to return it. But yeah, so it does say that it is a warm and spicy scent, and it is also layerable, which is like to me a little ginger biscuit might go with a little vanilla, but we will see. And then it says it's unisex in a genderless scent, which to me is why it's going by cologne instead of like a perfume or something like that. Because the first one I looked at, I was like, I am also not like I don't know a lot about fragrances, but I know I like to smell good. So I don't know, recently, probably like a year or two ago, I started like collecting fragrances, and I don't have a big collection, but I have quickly figured out what I liked. So like I said, I didn't really understand the cologne thing, but now I get it. Fragrance family for this one is warm and spicy. The scent type is warm and sweet gourmands, which I love. Like I absolutely love. That is one thing I've learned about myself. And it says the key notes are ginger, roasted hazelnut, and tonka bean, which I actually don't know what tonka bean is, so yeah. And then let's talk about the fragrance description. It says Olivia Colpo's holiday pick, a limited, oh, it is a limited edition. I was right. A limited edition favorite is back for the holiday season. Warm and spicy scent with ginger, cinnamon, and roasted hazelnuts. sensual with vanilla and tonka bean. Okay, so I knew it. I knew I was gonna be able to layer this with vanilla, but I don't know if I'll be able to layer this with more cinnamon. Oh, but it does say it has cinnamon. I don't know. I'm excited. I might have to do a video of like what I would layer this with. Okay, but it does say about the fragrance on Sephora. It says, experience the irresistible warmth of this limited edition fragrance, reminiscent of a freshly baked biscuit. Okay, spiced with ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. It melts into caramel with butter crumbly roasted hazelnuts, while tonka bean and vanilla add a cozy, luxurious finish. Okay, I don't know why I'm so excited, but I feel like I waited so long for this, and I'm really upset that I had to spend, you know, all the money on it, but it's whatever. And I cannot believe it's out of stock again. That's just so insane. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an up close look of the packaging. This is what we're dealing with. I think this is the front of it, and then I think that this is the back. And isn't the bottle so freaking pretty? Well, I don't know if this is what that bottle actually looks like, but yeah, I don't normally keep this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and it's in a cute little jumbo box. Okay, and then I'm not gonna lie, I thought that this would be a little bit bigger, but whatever. So let's take her out. Gosh, it's like in there. Okay. Ooh, y'all, this is the packaging. It looks so cute. I'm excited to try this one out. I just keep looking at it because I'm like, oh my god, if I smell this and I don't like it, or if it doesn't go with like my body, I'm gonna be freaking pissed. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a bug. Okay. It smells good, and I haven't even sprayed it. Like, I'm like, okay. I'm gonna give it one spray. Y'all, that literally backfired so bad. Because of the wind, I sprayed it and it went in my face. Like, yeah, that was stupid. But it smells so... I'm gonna spray it one more time, but this time I'm gonna spray it away. Y'all, it smells exactly how you think it would smell. And it's also okay, so to me, I'm just saying, this doesn't seem like a really strong scent, and I understand now why it says that this is layerable. See, me personally, I would do the most with this scent. I would try to put this scent on like my hot spots, like my wrists and maybe like on my neck a little bit. But I would also use this with my Fenty Skin Moisturizer with a little shimmer glitter gold, and I would also probably put a little vanilla oil on, or use my Kayali vanilla perfume to go with that as well. That's just me, but I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, you guys. I'm really excited to use this. I probably will use this for Thanksgiving, just because it's probably the next time I'm gonna be really going somewhere, which I'm just going to my mom's house. But anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you give it a like. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because I would love for you to join my little community. And I'm really close actually to hitting 2,000 subscribers on this channel, which is like, girl, keep going. Like, that makes me want to keep going, even though I don't always see the results that I want to. I don't know, it's like, why would I give up now? So close to another milestone. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you got your hands on this, you are so lucky. And if you didn't, maybe next year. Maybe next year, or maybe they will restock one more time for the holidays. All right, bye you guys.